Hey friends, in this video I'm sharing you a neck scrub which can lighten your dark neck and also make your skin smooth and glowing. So to make this neck scrub you require only two ingredients. One is coffee powder. I've actually taken brew coffee powder. I really felt it is highly recommended as it gives really very good results. And the next is coconut oil. I've chosen parachute coconut oil. If you have cold pressed coconut oil, you can definitely go with it. So these are the two ingredients. So I've chosen brew coffee powder as it is highly efficient in removing the darkness over your neck and even at the back. So next add some coconut oil to it and mix both of them thoroughly. In the meanwhile, let me tell you how coffee acts as a wonderful scrub on your body. And if you want to use it on your face, do not do not mix it with coconut oil. Go with curd and lemon. That will really work the best. For neck, it's only recommend this video is only recommended for neck area. Do not apply it on your face. It is not good to apply lot of coconut oil on your face. So coffee is actually an excellent exfoliator and helps in stimulating blood flow. So thereby it reduces acne. And the coffee pack whatever making is highly rich in antioxidants which kill dead cells. And also coffee has all the efficiency to make your skin smooth and bright. So our pack is ready. You can see after mixing this, apply it on your neck and leave it for 15 minutes and scrub it. If your neck is over dark, continue this for at least 10 days and see the magic on your skin. And after you wash your neck, please apply any moisturizer of your choice or at least aloe vera gel. If you find this video useful, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.